Saying the software cannot be used the same time as the game in FC26, let's fix that DiscSoftLTD conflict and get you back in the game. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to fix FC26 launch error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game, often triggered by DiscSoft limited tools like Daemon Tools or virtual drive apps. Method 1. Close Daemon Tools completely. If you are seeing the FC26 error when launching a game or app, close the Daemon Tools. Here is how to do so. Go to the system tray, now click on the Daemon Tools icon, then select Click Exit. Confirm your action and you are done. Now head to the Task Manager. To do so, right-click the Start menu and select Task Manager. Find Daemon Tools in the list, then right-click on it and choose the End Task option. Method 2. Disable Daemon Tools in Device Manager. Right-click in the Start menu and then select Device Manager. Expand the Storage Controllers section. Look for any entry named Daemon Tools. Then right-click on it and select the Disable Device or Uninstall Device option. Confirm your action and follow as shown to finish the process. Next, expand Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Again, disable any Daemon Tool entries. Method 3. Close conflicting applications. Open Task Manager. Now find these tasks if they are running. Right-click on them and then select the End Task option. REWASD, DS4 Windows, Auto Hotkey, Joy2 Key, Razor Synapse, Corsair Utility Engine, Visit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, Riot Client, Logitech G Hub, VC Codec Packs, Wallpaper Engine, MSI Afterburner or related MSI apps. Method 4. Disable related drivers in Device Manager. The next thing you can do is disable related drivers in Device Manager. To do that, open Device Manager and look for these: XVDDSCSI, Mini Port, Corsair Bus. If you find them, right-click on each device and select the Disable Device option. Method 5. Uninstall conflicting apps. If the error persists, uninstall any of the previous apps or the recently installed apps temporarily. To do that, go to Settings, then select Apps, then select Installed Apps. Now right-click on the three dots menu next to the app you want to uninstall. Select the Uninstall option and then follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. You can reinstall them after resolving the error. Once all conflicting apps and services are closed or disabled, try launching your game again. And that's it. FC26 should now launch without that DiscSoft limited error. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech solutions. Still facing issues or found your own workaround? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.